Hello everyone, this is Santoshi studying Pharmacy first year in Maharaja College of Pharmacy, and I am here to discuss a short topic, glycolysis. Glycolysis is the sequence of reactions converting glucose into lactate or pyruvate with the production of ATP is called as glycolysis, and it is also called as Embden-Meyerhof pathway. The important aspects of glycolysis is it occurs in all the cells of the body in the cytosol. The cytosol contains the enzymes required for the glycolytic pathway, and it is the important source of energy in the erythrocytes because erythrocytes are lacking of mitochondria. That's why the glycolytic pathway will supplies the energy to the erythrocytes. During the strenuous exercise, the body requires more amount of oxygen. In that condition, the anaerobic glycolytic pathway will supply the energy to the muscles, and it is a reversible process of gluconeogenesis. In the steps, it includes two phases, that is the preparative phase and the payoff phase. In the preparative phase, the glucose undergoes several biological reactions to produce the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate with the investment of ATP. In the payoff phase, the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate undergoes different biochemical reactions to synthesize the ATP. In a preparative phase, it includes different biochemical reactions, and in also payoff phase, it also includes different biochemical reactions. Coming to the preparative phase, it includes 5 biochemical reactions. The first step is the phosphorylation of the glucose, in which the glucose is converted into the glucose 6-phosphate by the enzyme hexokinase with the utilization of the energy in the form of ATP. And the second step is the isomerization, in which the glucose 6-phosphate is isomerized to form the fructose 6-phosphate with the help of the enzyme phosphohexose isomerase. And the third step is the phosphorylation, in which the fructose 6-phosphate is converted into the fructose 1,6 bisphosphate with the help of the enzyme phosphofructokinase. And the fourth step is the cleavage, by which the fructose 1,6 bisphosphate is cleaved into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and the dihydroxyacetone phosphate with the help of the enzyme aldolase. And the fifth step is the interconversion of the triose phosphates, by which the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphates are interconverted to form the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate of two molecules with the help of the enzyme triose phosphate isomerase. And the sixth step is the oxidation, by which the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate molecule is converted into the 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate with the production of the two molecules of the NADH2. And the seventh step is the phosphorylation, by which the 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate is converted into the 3-phosphoglycerate with the help of the enzyme phosphoglycerate kinase. And the eighth step is the conversion of 3-phosphoglycerate into 2-phosphoglycerate. The phosphate group is converted from 3-phosphate third carbon to the second carbon with the help of the enzyme phosphoglyceromutase. And the ninth step is the dehydration, by which the removal of water takes place, in which the 2-phosphoglycerate is converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate with the help of the enzyme enolase. And the 10th step is also the phosphorylation, by which the phosphoenol pyruvate is converted into the pyruvate with the help of the enzyme pyruvate kinase with the production of the two molecules of the ATP. By this, the both preparative phase and the payoff phase was completed. And coming to the energetics, in the anaerobic glycolytic pathway, two molecules of ATP are produced, and in the aerobic glycolytic pathway, 6 molecules of ATPs are produced from the phosphoglycerate kinase, pyruvate kinase, and in the sixth step. And by this, I concluded that the glycolytic pathway is a universal central pathway occurring in the cytosol of all the tissues, and the product and they produce the ATP. Thank you.